Hey everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to take a look at how to properly thread your Cobra class 8810 post bed machine and also wind a bobbin and load the bobbin properly. So let's take a look. Put your thread cone on the thread stand and make sure that the thread comes off freely and unobstructed. The thread goes through the thread stand hole from the back to the front. Start by threading through the pin. Insert the thread on the top through the first thread hole and then bring it back up and through one of the last holes. Proceed through the top guide hole and go over the rolling guide and then under the pin. Next, proceed down between the two tension discs and then around the secondary tension device, and by pulling upward, the thread will click in and a spring will add tension. Insert the thread into the small thread guide. Now up to the take-up lever. Thread it from right to left. The thread now travels down through the large thread guide and proceeding down through a small thread guide. Next, the thread needs to go through the needle bar, which has a small hole, and finally, we have to thread the needle. Thread the needle from left to right, and you are done. To wind a bobbin, start by putting your thread cone on the thread stand, and then make sure that the thread comes off the cone freely, and insert the thread through the thread guide hole from the back to the front. On the bobbin winder, go through the thread guide hole, and then pull the thread in between the tension discs. It goes around and then the thread comes back out of the guide hole. On your bobbin, the thread goes through the hole from inside to outside. Now you can insert the bobbin onto the bobbin winder and push the lever forward to engage the wheel with the rubber belt. Also, please don't forget to remove the thread from your needle before winding up your bobbin. Hold the thread and press the pedal to begin the winding process. Once the bobbin stops, remove the bobbin and let's add it to the machine. Open up the cover plate and lift up the little tab and carefully pull out the bobbin case cap to gain access to the bobbin. Make sure the bobbin thread comes off the bobbin counterclockwise. The bobbin case is a small, intricate part. Load the bobbin in with the thread going counterclockwise and navigate the thread through the side slot and then under the black tab and proceeding to the grooved area. Let's take a closer look. Again, the thread goes through the side slot and then under the black tab and proceeding to the grooved area. Now go ahead and load in the bobbin and the bobbin case and then flip down the tab. Using the hand wheel while holding the top thread, start cycling a rotation and the top thread will go around and pick up the bobbin thread. Close up the cover plate and make sure the threads are free. Your machine is now ready for sewing. All right, that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.